everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So I recently took a trip to Sephora. My husband was gracious enough to take me and let me get a few items that I was running out of. And I basically just grabbed the staples, the stuff that I use a lot, that's a little more pricey. And of course, if he's gonna take me, I'm not gonna say no. So yeah, if you guys wanna watch a little bit of that footage, and then we'll come back and I will show you guys what I got. Okay, I just got back to the house and I changed because I was more dressed up. My husband was like going to like a basketball game. I looked like I was going to a wedding, so I threw something else on. You guys, does that happen to y'all when you go out with your husband and you don't match and you feel like you're not going to the same party or the same event? Like, it happens with us all the time. He'll be dressed up and I won't be, vice versa. So yeah, I changed. But I am just waiting for him so we can go ahead and head out to Sephora. Okay, after 200 hours, we are finally here. I hate that they don't have a huge Sephora closer to us, but you know what? That's probably a good thing, because I wouldn't have no money left. Or you wouldn't have any money left. You always look so crazy when I put the camera on you. Someone when you're recording. Yeah, but nobody saw you. They were gonna stop you from recording. Okay, so I'm in the store, and of course I am hitting up the Brow Wiz first because that is the stuff that I need. I have no brow product. He just sort of drifts around. This is his favorite area of the store when we come here. All the colognes. He takes pictures of them and then he goes and finds them for cheaper. Okay, I'm trying to record in here as much as I can, but the girls are onto me and I am not really allowed to record in here, so I hope I got enough footage for you guys. I'm going to try to do a quick overview of the store. This store is huge, I love it. Okay, so I recorded as much as I could in there. Yeah, the girls were on to me, so I had my husband, who is tall, hopefully get some good footage of the actual store, because yeah, they kept coming over to me. They're like, do you record? Are you recording in here? And I was like, no. Oh, he came through. That's what I needed. They weren't paying attention to him at all, but they was all over my ass. Anyway, let me see. I'll show you the few things that I got, and then I'll probably do a bigger haul. These are mostly items that I use all the time. I just ran out of, and yeah, nothing really new, you know, so yeah. Okay, so of course, free samples. Ladies, if you guys don't know about it, Sephora gives away free samples of any like foundations, anything that they can squeeze into a bottle, they will give you a sample of. So I got 2 foundations here. The Too Face Born This Way, the collaboration with Jackie Aina where they did the extended shades, so I was probably in between 2, so I'm going to mix those 2 together. The sample that I got was a Clinique sample. I had gotten samples of these Clinique foundation a long time ago and I really loved it. And don't judge me for my fingernails, okay? We know if anybody knows me, they know my fingernails are ratchet. I can't help it. Just some other things that I needed. A new item that I'm trying is the new Makeup Forever matte velvets. Thank you, Daddy, for taking me shopping and for getting that footage for me. Okay, so I don't know if I'm going to be recording anymore today. I might record when we're sitting down to eat, but just in case I don't, see you guys later. Thank you for coming along with me today on my little mini Sephora haul. Comment. I like talking to you guys, so leave a comment below if you've tried any of these products, or if you guys are going to Sephora, if you picked anything up new, you know, what the weather's like. I don't care, just comment. I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, so some of the items that I got, and go ahead and get a little more in depth of. You might have seen a few of them in the bag, but I wanted to show you guys exactly what I got. So I got another Hulu Mini. This is a good bronzer. I love it. It comes with this little worthless brush, though. I always just throw that out. But this is the color. And this is the second one that I've used. The first one I used completely gone. Like, I ripped the box open and everything and got the very last drip of powder out of there that I could. Anyway, I love this stuff. It's just a bronzer. I got another Laura Mercier, but I got a mini one this time. I love this powder. I did not love it enough to get another full size. It's a little pricey. I do have some other powders that I really, really love that are really affordable. This is an expensive little item, but I wanted a small one just to have. The next one is the Anastasia Dip Brow in the color dark brown. Of course, you guys know that this is one of my favorite brow products. I did do a how to do your brows using this dip brow, so I will link that up in the eye for you guys if you wanted to check that out, but one of my favorites. I got two Kat Von D items. The first one is the Ink It Liner. I love this stuff because it's super easy to use. Like I said before, if you can use a marker, you can use this eyeliner. It is hella easy to use, and I love it. So I got another one of those. The next Kat Von D item that I got is in the color Warm L7, and it is the concealer. She's a little more expensive than the concealers I use, but I thought, why I was there, why not? I do love this stuff. It's, it works good. The next item that I got was an Anastasia brow pencil. I'm sorry, I keep saying brow pencil. Anastasia brow brush. This thing is absolutely amazing. I love this. The only one that I can compare this to, and I don't think I have it up here, is the other brow brush that I really, really love is by Ardell. It comes in the kit with the dip brow, but I love that brow brush as well, but this one is absolutely amazing. She's a little pricey though, but I do love this one. Oh, I got of course, the Brow Wiz by Anastasia. This is just, it's a brow pencil. It's got the spoolie on the end. One of my favorite brow products as well. I got samples. Now this is where y'all know, I've talked about it before in a few other videos, but Sephora gives out samples. Anything that they can squeeze into one of these little containers, you can get a sample of. I have not tried these foundations yet, but this is the Clinique Beyond Perfect foundation. And you can see the little container that they squeeze it into. They usually put in, she was a little stingy with this one. But they usually put in enough for literally like a week of use. And anyway, this is in the color, let's see, she put the color on there. She did not. But anyway, that's the Clinique that I wanted to try. Too Face Born This Way. It is the collab that Jackie Aina did in two different colors. Oh my God, they are spilled everywhere in here. Well, I'm glad that I got these in two colors because I'm just gonna be dipping my brush in there. What a mess. That sucks. But there's enough in there. Like I said, I will totally just take those little containers out and dip in there and use this shit on my face, since I'm glad this is like a sealed bag. You can see that sort of sucks. But anyway, I got a warm beige and natural beige, so I'm still going to be using that even though that shit is spilled. And then the last product I got, I have used, and I am not a fan. It is the Matte Velvet Skin by Makeup Forever in the color Y335. I kept the receipt because this shit's going back. It is not only the wrong color, well, let me tell you something. It's the right color when you put it on your face, but it oxidizes so dark. It literally goes like 2 shades darker. So I had this on for an hour or two and ended up coming home and washing it off. Not only because I looked like like just orange, like a Oompa Loompa. But it was not nice for oily skin. Now, if you have dry skin, it may work better for you, but for my skin, how oily I am, it did not work. It was separating, it was coming off. It just wasn't a really pretty foundation for me. But yeah, she's going back, and I'm sad because I was excited about this. I've heard a lot about it. But I think that is all that I got in this haul. Like I said, most of the items are items that I always use anyway, that I just love, that I was just replacing. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also make sure to hit the notification bell so you guys know when I post. And I am on other social medias as well. I am on Snapchat, on Instagram, and Facebook, and all of those are MakeupMenaree. So if you guys want to see, you know, videos or pictures of, you know, my cats or my kids or, you know, my husband, just more personal things, then you guys can go to those and check it out. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will talk to y'all next time.